Hi, we're Big Y's registered dietitians, Andrea
and Carrie. Sleep is an important part of overall wellness, so shoot for at least 7 to 9 hours of shut-eye each night.
Having trouble falling or staying asleep? Create a helpful evening routine by going to bed at the same time and relaxing with soothing recipes like these.
Deep Sleep Tonic. In a blender, combine pre-soaked almonds, milk, ghee, dates, cinnamon, cardamom, nutmeg, pepper, turmeric, and water. Blend until smooth. Pour a mixture into a saucepan and bring to a gentle boil. Divide between mugs and drink warm 1 hour before bedtime.
Kathy's Chocolate Cherry Smoothie. In a blender, combine milk, frozen cherries, dark cocoa powder, vanilla Greek yogurt, sliced banana, and honey. Blend until mixture is smooth. Pour into glasses and enjoy.
For these recipes and more,
visit bigY.com.